Your AI written resume is probably getting rejected. No cap. But Americans are paying $25, $120 for someone to fix those resumes. This is the AI resume fixer side hustle, and it's blowing up. Yo, MoneyVerse fam, listen up. Americans are getting rejected left and right, not because they're bad workers, but because their resumes are trash. Yeah, straight up. And guess what? People are now paying $15, $40, even $160 per resume just for someone who can fix their AI written resumes and make them sound clean, human, and hire ready. Pause, beat, drop. This is the side hustle nobody's talking about. AI Resume Fixer, America's newest $120 per day money machine. And you can start it today, from your phone, without being a HR expert. Here's the truth. Everyone in the US is using ChatGPT or some random AI to create resumes, but the results are trash. Robotic phrasing, repeated lines, generic buzzwords, confusing formatting, no personality, no achievement-based bullet points, totally irrelevant skills. American companies, they hate this stuff. They can smell an AI-made resume from a mile away. And because of that, candidates are getting rejected before humans even see their application. This is where you step in. In 2025, the US job market is crazy competitive. Everyone is chasing remote jobs, flexible hours, big tech roles, support jobs, government positions. But most Americans don't know how to write a resume that passes ATS applicant tracking system, let alone how to make it look human again. So thousands of us applicants are paying freelancers to FIX formatting, rewrite bullet points, remove AI-sounding text, add human tone, match job descriptions, optimize keywords, rewrite cover letters. This is exactly why AI Resume Fixer is exploding right now. As an AI Resume Fixer, your job is basically this. AI writes gives you fix, AI outputs gives you polish, AI repeats gives you remove, AI overdoes gives you humanize. Simple, clean, beginner-friendly. Your tasks include rewriting robotic bullet points, adding real-world action verbs, resizing text to clean layout, removing awkward AI phrases, adjusting tone based on job role, adding measurable achievements, making everything a TS. You don't need a degree. You don't need HR experience. You don't need perfect English grammar. You just need to know how to guide AI properly and deliver clean results. Here are the top places where Americans already pay for resume fixes. Fiverr, resume rewrite, resume polish gigs. Upwork, quick turnaround, resume cleanups. Facebook job groups, tons of disparate applicants. LinkedIn, DM outreach. Reddit, our resumes, our jobs. Indeed, communities. Geographic FB groups, Texas jobs, California jobs, etc. The angle is simple. Your resume sounds robotic. I'll rewrite it professionally. That line alone gets instant attention. Create 3 to 5 sample resumes. Gives show before, after gives boom. Clients will start hitting you up. Here's the US market breakdown. Basic fix, 10 minutes, $10, $15. Resume rewrite, $25, $40. Resume plus cover letter, $35, $60. Resume plus LinkedIn rewrite, $70, $120. Full job application bundle, $150, $220. Most beginners easily earn $80, $120 day after getting consistent buyers. The magic combo, ChatGPT rewrite, plus structure, Grammarly polish, plus correctness, Hemingway editor clean readability, Rewordify, simplify robotic phrasing. Google Docs ATS-friendly formatting, LinkedIn Job Description Analyzer. These tools do 70% of the heavy lifting. You just guide them. Here's exactly what Americans send AI resume fixers. Client: my resume feels boring. Fix it. Client: I use ChatGPT. It sounds fake. Client: I keep getting rejected. What's wrong? Client: make my resume look human. They want personality, confidence, clarity, achievements, real-life results. You give them all that, using AI plus your polishing. Realistic numbers. Slow worker gives $30, $40 day. Normal gives $80, $120 day. Serious gives $150 day. Pro with bundles gives $200, $250 day. Just for 2-7 clients a day, and you're stacking real money. Many freelancers in the US are earning up to $3,000 a month doing nothing but resume cleanups. These are the Americans most desperate for resume help. Immigrants, students, job seekers, switching careers. Laid off tech workers. Retail gives office transition workers. Remote job hunters. Government job applicants. These people need resume. Listen fam, AI didn't kill resumes. AI just made them messy. And people who learn how to fix AI mistakes, they're the ones getting paid. This side hustle is exploding in the USA. And you're still early. Smash that like, hit subscribe, and drop a emoji if you want me to make a step-by-step resume polish tutorial next. MoneyVerse out. If you're ready for more real talk about getting video, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell.